24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
Time now for traffic and weather.
On the Bay Area's BIN 910.
I want to begin in Cupertino this time around. Getting word of an accident on southbound 280 approaching De Anza. 3 cars involved in this crash. Emergency crews are on scene. They have the 2 right lanes blocked. We see traffic slowing down at Foothill Expressway as a result. Also in San Francisco, southbound 101, the connector ramp from Alamany, the on-ramp to southbound 101, that ramp remains shut down. This is due to an overturned big rig that's leaking fuel onto the roadway. No estimate on how long it's going to take them to reopen that ramp. Also in Oakland, on the Nimitz Freeway, northbound 880 before Highway 29, we have a stall that's blocking the right lane. This one has traffic slowing down at 66th Avenue. We will have clear skies overnight, lows in the 50s, sunny and mild at the coast tomorrow. With Bay Area traffic and weather, I'm Ricky Batiste on the Black Information Network.
Your story is our story.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910. Yahoo News is reporting a strong majority of Black California voters believe that the legislature is responsible to provide more funding in schools for the lower performing students, according to a survey released Tuesday by the Black in School Coalition. The fact is that 84% of those surveyed want education funding to target low performing students in California speaks volumes, and we need to see action from the legislature, said Adande Mack, Senior Director of Education at Children Now, in a statement. Apple Card polled more than 11,000 Black California voters on education and found that 71% believe that allocating additional money based on student performance would improve education for Black students, while 93% said chronic absenteeism is an urgent problem for California schools to address. And investigators are looking into an incident where racial slurs were found scrawled on a business in Fairfield. Solano County Sheriff's officials say someone used red paint to write the slurs and draw swastikas on the walls of Thompson's Corner Saloon. The hateful messaging was found Tuesday. Deputies say they hope surveillance video footage from the area will help them identify a suspect in the case.
You did the stare and drive, or you didn't?
He got that from me. What is here?
I got a problem with authority.
That's African-American actor Tyrese Gibson, and he's taking Home Depot to court over an incident of alleged racial profiling in a California store. The Fast and Furious actor has filed a lawsuit against Home Depot for civil rights violations. He says he and 2 of his associates were victims of racial profiling by a cashier and a manager at the Home Depot in West Hills back in February. In the lawsuit, Gibson says the cashier refused to allow his friends to pay for the items at the store with Gibson's credit card and then continued to obstruct the purchase when Gibson came back inside. The actor says a manager also caused problems for the group before the cashier finally allowed the purchase to take place. Gibson says the actions of both the cashier and the manager were racially motivated, and he's seeking $1 million in the lawsuit. Representatives from Home Depot have not commented on the lawsuit. And in other news, a new walking tour claims to show people the worst of San Francisco. The Downtown Doom Loop walking tour is set for August 26th and is already sold out, according to organizers. The $30 tour will start at City Hall and will go through Mid-Market Street, the Tenderloin area, and Union Square. Tour officials say those who participate will view the open-air drug markets, the abandoned tech offices, and the deserted department stores. And that's a look at what's going on around the Bay Area. For more on these stories and international, national, state, and local news affecting the Black community, listen to the Black Information Network on the iHeartRadio app or log on to BINnews.com. On social media, follow the BIN on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Black Information Network, and on Twitter, now X, at BlackInfoNet. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910. Want to make a difference? African American patients only have a 25% chance of finding a bone marrow match. Make a difference and join the National Bone Marrow Registry at bethematch.org. Because trust matters.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
This hour of news is brought to you by Bank of America, proud founding partner of the Black Information Network.
Sometimes life can be difficult. It's estimated that 44% of Black Americans reported symptoms of anxiety or depression. Whether you're experiencing a life change or loss, or dealing with stress, anxiety, or something else, confiding in a licensed therapist can help. If you need support, Minute Clinic at CVS now offers mental health counseling in select states. You can book a virtual session with a licensed therapist at cvs.com/mental health and receive a mental health assessment, counseling, and a personalized care plan, all in the privacy of your home. Appointments are available 7 days a week, and most insurances are accepted. Because when it comes to mental health, cost should not be a barrier. Healing takes time. Seeing a therapist.
Yeah, I'm supposed to cut the
Book a
corner.
virtual therapy session at
People are so
cvs.com/mental health.
stupid.
Services vary by location. CVS,
supposed to
proud
cut the
founding
corner
partner of the Black Information
through.
Network.
Rich already care.
Gang violence in Haiti has significantly increased recently. News by us.
Black Olympic champion Dominique Dawes is running her own gymnastics academy with the hope to train a new generation of athletes because no one can tell our story like us.
This is the first in American history, and we are losing our democracy.